Hey y'all, welcome back into the shop, where I just wanted to take a minute to talk about this super special car that we have in for full detailing and ceramic coating service. So next to me is a 1957 Mercedes 300 SL Roadster. Now, this is the car that actually made the SL model famous, SL standing for super light, and it was the successor to one of the more well-known iconic cars, the Mercedes SL Gullwing Coupe. The Coupe had a production run up until 1957, and then from 1957 onwards, the Roadster was developed to be more of the driver's car rather than the Gullwing version. So this is actually one of the first production cars to be able to go above 150 miles per hour. So not only is it super light, super fast. It's kind of become a blue chip collector's car for several reasons. Mainly though, the design, it's an absolutely gorgeous vehicle, and then the engineering. It is a driver's car, and baked into it is all sorts of motorsports heritage because of what Mercedes was doing in the racing world at that time and subsequently. So if you just take a second to admire the features on the car, of course, one of the first things that sticks out to me is these fender flares, all the beautiful body lines going down the side of the car, the vents, the way everything is designed. It has an absolutely gorgeous profile. It's a Roadster, so of course the roof comes down, and that's when you get to really appreciate some of the interior components of the car. It has a gorgeous interior, very analog feel. Everything from the buttons, the door handles, the shifter, it all feels amazing to use. Very analog, very tactile. Some quirks on the exterior, of course, is if you look at the driver's side view mirror, it's attached to the fender, and then there's not one on the passenger side. The paintwork on the car is the iconic Mercedes silver. This vehicle has actually been through a complete factory restoration. So it was already in amazing shape when it came to us. And one of these cars that has been back to Germany for that factory restoration service probably has about $1 million added to the price tag. So if you factor in the rarity, the factory restoration, and some of the most recent auction results for these 57 Roadsters, you could confidently say the price tag for this car is $2 million. And so having such a rare and expensive and valuable car in the shop, it really is a privilege for us to be able to work on it. We really appreciate this client trusting us, not only with this car, but all the cars in his collection. To be able to just refine it a little bit further with some polishing and ceramic coating was a real treat for us. So I'll shut up now and let y'all enjoy some B-roll of us working on this beautiful car.